Ladies and gents, welcome to today's video where today we're just going to install a few more mods. This one just arrived. So these are the auto beam indicator units. I've always wanted these because I've seen like so many cheap indicator units and they're just not as good. These are super duper bright and obviously very, very orange. So I like these. We got a few more mods to install. So one, we got the window louvers, which you would have seen in the previous video. The Maxton spoiler cap, once again, which you would have seen in the previous video. Anyway, let's get going installing these. Shouldn't take us too long. And then we'll get into installing the auto beam indicators, which I'm very, very excited for. So we got some window louver things. Should look something like that. We need to clean the window, get this tape cut to the right size, obviously around the edges, and get them installed. I saw these on multiple cars, multiple Focuses at Ford Fair, so I wanted them and I've got them. They're not too expensive either, so if I don't like them, it's not too bad. It is on. It needs a wipe actually. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick wipe. Not the top because I had the protective film, but definitely underneath. Don't know if we should keep this or not. I don't know. Looks really good though. Right, so we got the louver things. We got the spoiler lip. This is a wiper delete. So we got to take this off and put this in. Never done this before. I'm kind of scared. See how it goes. That was really easy. I've never taken a wiper off that easy. Right, so this is where we're at. Wiper motor, 1, 2, 3 bolts. And then as you saw it there, it's just come off really easily, so really happy with that. This should just unplug. And that's it now. I don't know if you could get some sort of resistor, or what I might do is just go into full scan and just turn it off, and then it won't throw any codes or anything like that. But that needs to come out. Looks like 8mm, but it's American, so maybe 7. It was 8. So we got the wiper motor out, just this little bung left. Yeah, there you go. That needs a damn good clean. Right, let me clean that up. Glues onto this side, so we need to clean that up as well. That just slots in there, something like that. Right, it's a bit of a mess in here, but to move everything out of the way, it's the wiper motor. I've got sealant, I've got the actual delete, that can go there as well. So what I need to do is I need to put the sealant around here, put the tape on the back of it to hold it up. And then all of this is done now, so you can see it's all clean. So I'm going to put it up there, and I'm just going to tape it just to hold it. I'm hoping I haven't got like any masking tape. I'll take it back. I found some regular old frog tape. Basically going to clean that up, put some sealant on, hopefully not too much, tape it up, then wipe any excess sealant off. So right, so I've just taped the back, so just sealant around there now. Not the prettiest of jobs, but it's on. Okay, I've put it in. So if I grab just glass cleaner, so what I'll do, I'm going to get a glove quickly, fill in those holes. Yeah, I'm going to fill in just there's a hole here, then I'm going to wipe it all off. Right, it's all done. I tried peeling it off just to make sure it does come off. It does. Nearly dry, so what I'm going to do, put all these trims back. I need to get all the tools back out the car, and then we can finish it off. Here's the tape. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this ceiling's pretty much dry. Yeah, from a company called dwiper.co.uk. Just the final little bits. Shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully there's no engraving on this. Ta-da! Let's give that windscreen a wipe. There we go. That looks so much better. Probably worth noting, never changed any bulb on this car before, so it might be good, it might be bad. We'll find out very shortly. Right, first things first, rear light. I think there's some sort of, there. I don't know where you can see that. Probably not very well at all. There's a little turny thingy. That is the technical term. I'm going to try not to drop it. There it is. And I think there's another one. Yeah, it's hidden up here. I've taken these lights out before, but I've definitely done this one up way tighter than I probably should have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, it's out. Oh. Please don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Ta-da! I had to use them in the end. Nearly cut my hand open. Before we do this, it's probably worth doing a before and after. So here's the before. Not great. That one actually looks like it's fading a bit, so that'd be good to replace. Right, this should just pop out now. Actually, there's a clip here, so pops out. And it should just be one of these, so let's figure it out. Orange is probably the right one. So orange is obviously our indicator, and it should be in that one with the orange cable. So let's take that out and replace it. Oh, ta-da! There you go, probably see better now. Ugh. Oh my god, it looks like mini spiders all over them. So spiders infused into the lens. No nice way of opening them, so we're just going to tear it. Oh, these look way better. Seem to be in. If we just hit the unlock button. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm blind. Oh my god. I just see six LED chips. That goes back in. So we got a new bulb in. It looks kind of funny in there, I'm not gonna lie, but oh well. This has just got to go back now. So there's a little clip in there. Just push it in. That's in now, so test it real quick. Oh my jeez. There's the before and after, right as before. Even looking at that hurts my eyes. Right, excuse the hat. I think they're both done. So let's just check. Oh my god. I can't actually look at these because they're so bright. Oh. Right, just got to put these little caps back in, covers back on. These, they look like they've had spiders all over them. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But that's kind of sad. Put these back on. To give you an idea, it's broad daylight and it's still lighting it up. Can't even look at it, it's so bright. Right, next step is the front. Pop the bonnet, and I'm just hoping it's as easy as the back. It wasn't too bad on the back, to be honest. The bulbs do look quite funny, but I think I'm going to get used to it. Right, here we are, last two. Obviously we have to remove the headlights, so that little one, that little screw, and then it's just on like a clip at the bottom, pull it out. And the bulb we're replacing is this one. So I'm hoping it's just, it looks pretty far back, which is always good. It means it's like closer to the back, which is easier to replace. So that side, done. Headlight. I'm guessing it's something to do with this. Oh. In there, you probably can't see it, but there's a bulb that just needs to come out. No baby spiders were harmed in the life of this bulb. Give me another one. Really cool, by the way. Look at that. You can see why they're bright. You go. Which way do you close? I can't actually look at these bulbs. They're so bright. Right, quickly do the other side. We'll do a walk around. Right, here's the grand reveal. Let's put the hazards on. Oh my god, I can't actually look at these bulbs. Oh, Jesus, blinding me. So that's the rears. From the same company, we got these as well, which are auto beam. sequential. You can actually switch these to static as well, but I think I'll keep them. You know it's bright when you can see it in daytime. I can't wait. I'm gonna try and find some, get some nighttime footage. Hopefully pick up this video in the nighttime where we can have a look at the new bulbs. Time has come. We're gonna go down here. Are you ready for nighttime? Oh my god. Let me just lock it. Oh, oh my god. That's the next level of bright. Anyway, ladies and gents, the lighting's not great in here, so I do apologise, but mission success. So, you know, getting the spoiler lip on, getting the window louvers on, absolutely fantastic. They both look stunning. It's nice to get some more mods, obviously, on the Focus. If you guys want to check out the full mods list, just click the video before, which is the what mods have I done to my Focus. Fantastic video, outlines everything that I've done. And obviously there's plenty more to come. We've only upgraded the indicator bulbs to LED, so we could do way more. We could do headlights, side lights, brake lights, reverse lights, and then all the, you know, there's so many mods to do to the Focus. So if you guys are enjoying it so far, then definitely hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for what's about to come. There's a lot coming, and I'm sure you guys will be interested. I'm loving it at the moment, and I hope you guys are as well. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.